So, good morning students. In the previous lecture, we are completed first chapter, that is electric charges and field. So, theoretical part we have to completed in the previous lecture. Now, today we are going to solve NCERT exercise one by one. Clear? So, first question of chapter electric charges and field is, what is the force? What is the force between two small charged spheres having charges of 2 into 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air. Clear? So now second question is, the electrostatic force on a small sphere of charge 0.4 microcoulomb due to another small sphere of charge minus 0.8 microcoulomb in air is 0.2 Newton. Clear? So here we calculate in the first part what is the distance between the two spheres. This is the first part of this second question, and second part is what is the force on the second sphere due to the first. Clear? So we solve one by one of these two numericals. So first of all, in the question, first what will be given in the problems we write here, and what are the formula used in this question. Then we put the value given in the formula and find out the result of the questions. Clear? So solution of 1.1. So here given, let us assume that these are two spheres. Clear? And the charge on first sphere, that is Q1, is equal to 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb. And the charge on second sphere is Q2 is equal to 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb. And the distance between two charges is given 30 centimeter. Distance is represented by R. So here we write R is equal to 30 centimeter. Clear? So this is the distance between these two spheres. We want to calculate what is the force between these two charges. Clear? So here we write formula according to Coulomb's law. So according to Coulomb's law, here in the question the medium is not given. So here we used formula of force between these two charges, that is F is equal to 9 into 10 raised to power 9 Q1 Q2 upon R square, after which we place the value of Q1 Q2 and distance between the two spheres. So here we put the value of Q1, Q2 and R. So Q1 is 9, Q1 is given 2 into 10 to power minus 7. So here we write 2 into 10 to power minus 7 multiplied by 3. Q2 given 3 into 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb. So here we write 3 into 10 raised to power minus 7. and the distance is given 30 centimeter. So here first of all we calculate distance in meter, because the answer given in MKS system. So here we calculate the value of distance between two spheres in meter. So what will be the value of distance in meter? 30 divided by 100, then it becomes 0.3 meter. So we place r is equal to 0.3 meter in the formula. So here 0.3 square. We write here 0.3 square. After calculation, 9 2 ja 18, 3 ja 54. So here we write 54 multiplied by, here we calculate the powers of 10, 9, 7, 7, 14, minus 14 plus 9, that is minus 5. 10 raised to power minus 5 and divided by 0.09. If squaring 0.3, then we get 0.09. If point is replaced, then here we write to 0 and 9 cancel 54 is equal to 6. So here we get 600 into 10 raised to power minus 5. So finally we write here 6 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Newton, or 6 millinewton. So this is the answer of the first part of the question. Clear? So now we are going to second question. So in the second question, it is given the electrostatic force on a small sphere of charge 0.4 microcoulomb due to another small sphere of charge minus 0.8 microcoulomb in air is 0.2 Newton. So here we draw the diagram to solve the problems. First of all, we draw the diagram. So solution of 1.2. Small sphere, the value of Q1 is equal to 0.4 microcoulomb due to another small sphere of charge, that is Q2 is equal to minus 0.8 microcoulomb. F is equal to 0.2 Newton. Clear? And here distance we have to calculate by the given value, with the help of given value. So we first of all we calculate the distance between the charges. So here we write the formula of Coulomb's law. F is equal to 9 into 10 to power 9 Q1 Q2 by R square. Clear? So we put the value of force, that is 0.2 is equal to 9 into 10 to power 9 into, here Q1 is given 0.4, this is in magnitude, 0.4 into 10 to power minus 6, because 1 microcoulomb is equal to 10 to power minus 6. 1 microcoulomb is equal to 10 to power minus 6 coulomb. Clear? Multiplied by 0.8 into 10 raised to power minus 6 upon R square. Clear? So by simplification of this problems we get here we simplified R square is equal to 9 4 ja 3.6 multiplied by 0.8 and calculate the powers of the 10. -6 minus 12 plus 9 minus 3. So here we write 10 raised to power minus 3 upon, after cross multiplication here we write 0.2, point cancel to each other, 2 cancel 8, therefore here we write 4. After multiplication of 4 into 3.6. So here we write 4 6 ja 24 and 4 3 ja 12 plus 2 and means 14. But here we place decimal after one place of 4. So here we write 14.4 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3. Again after simplification we write here 144 into 10 raised to power minus, if decimal is placed right side, so here we write 10 raised to power minus 4. Clear? So this is the value of r square, not r. So after simplification we get r is equal to 12 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter, or 0.12 meter. So this is the distance between the two spheres having a charges 0.4 microcoulomb and 0.8 microcoulomb. So this is the answer of the first part of the questions. Now we are going to second part of the questions. Clear? In the question ask, in the second part ask what is the force on the second sphere due to the first. So here we draw the diagram. We draw the diagram. This is first sphere and this is second sphere. So the question is what is the force on second sphere due to first. So this is right as F21 and this is right as F12. Clear? Because this is positive and this is negative, and the force of attraction appear between these two charges. Clear? We have already studied relation between F12 and F21. So these forces, here we find out F21 is equal to question mark and F12 is given. F12 is given 0.2 Newton. Clear? So because F21 is equal to minus F12, so here we put the value of F12, that is minus 0.2 Newton. Here minus sign represent the nature of the force between two charges. So nature of force will be attractive. If negative sign occurs in the relations, so it represents the force of attraction. If taking a magnitude of this force, then we get answer is 0.2 Newton. So equal amount of forces apply on both spheres. Clear? Means the force on this sphere is 0.2 Newton. So force on second sphere is also 0.2 Newton. So this is the answer of the second part of the problem. So today we are studying subnumericals from the NCERT exercise. In the next lecture we solve another numericals. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.